Imagine walking into a forest unlike any other, a place where time seems to stand still and the hustle and bustle of modern life fades away. The air is cool and crisp, filled with the scent of pine needles and damp earth. Each breath you take feels refreshing, almost as if the forest itself is breathing with you. Sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. The interplay of light and dark creates a serene and almost magical atmosphere. Towering trees, some ancient and gnarled, others young and vibrant, stand as silent guardians. These trees have witnessed centuries of change, yet they remain steadfast, providing shelter and sustenance to countless species. This is the world of coniferous forests, a realm of unique beauty and ecological significance. Here, every element plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Coniferous forests, dominated by cone-bearing trees, are found across the globe. From the towering pines of North America to the majestic spruces of Europe, these forests are as diverse as they are widespread. They cover vast stretches of land, from the snow-laden landscapes of the far north to the sun-drenched mountains of warmer regions. Each forest, with its unique climate and geography, supports a distinct array of flora and fauna. These forests are home to a stunning array of plant and animal life, all interconnected in a delicate web of interdependence. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature has a role to play. Step into this world and discover the secrets hidden beneath the canopy. As you walk, listen to the symphony of sounds, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the distant call of wildlife. Learn about the remarkable adaptations of these trees, their crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet and the threats they face. From their needle-like leaves to their deep root systems, each adaptation is a testament to their resilience. This journey will unveil the importance of protecting these natural treasures for generations to come. By understanding their value, we can take steps to ensure that these forests continue to thrive, providing beauty, shelter, and life for centuries more. Coniferous trees, the stalwarts of the forest, are instantly recognizable. Unlike their deciduous counterparts, which shed their leaves in the fall, conifers retain their foliage throughout the year. This characteristic gives them their name, derived from the Latin word conifer, meaning cone-bearing. These trees are masters of survival, thriving in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their evergreen nature allows them to photosynthesize whenever conditions are favorable, even during brief periods of warmth in cold climates. This resilience is just one of the many remarkable adaptations that make conifers unique. From the towering redwoods of California to the humble pines of suburban landscapes, conifers come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. They're classified into several families, including the pine, cypress, and yew families, each with its own distinctive characteristics. Despite their diversity, all conifers share certain key features that unite them as a distinct group of plants. Within the conifer family, pines, spruces, and firs are among the most well-known and widely distributed. These trees are not only vital to forest ecosystems, but also hold significant cultural and economic value. They provide habitats for wildlife, timber for construction, and even holiday cheer during the festive season. Each of these groups exhibits unique characteristics that set them apart, making them fascinating subjects for both amateur nature enthusiasts and professional botanists alike. Pines, belonging to the genus Pinus, are characterized by their needle-like leaves, arranged in bundles of 2, 3, or 5. These needles can vary in length, color, and texture, depending on the species. These bundles, called fascicles, are held together at the base by a papery sheath. This unique arrangement helps in identifying different species of pines, as the number of needles per fascicle is a key distinguishing feature. Pine cones are typically woody and have scales that open to release their seeds. These cones can take several years to mature, and their size and shape can vary widely among species. Some pine cones are even adapted to open only in response to the heat of a fire, a fascinating adaptation to their environment. Spruces, belonging to the genus Picea, also have needle-like leaves, but their needles are attached individually to the twig, leaving a small, peg-like projection when the needle falls off. This feature gives spruce branches a rough texture. Spruce cones are pendulous, hanging downwards from the branches. These cones are usually more flexible than pine cones and can vary in colour from green to brown as they mature. Firs, belonging to the genus Abies, have flat, soft needles that are attached to the twig with a suction cup-like base. This attachment method makes fir needles less likely to fall off, even when drying. Fir cones are upright and often have distinctive protruding bracts. Unlike pine and spruce cones, fir cones disintegrate while still on the tree, releasing their seeds gradually. Learning to identify these different conifer types can enrich your next walk in the woods. Not only does it enhance your appreciation of nature, but it also helps in understanding the ecological roles these trees play. Pay attention to the arrangement of the needles, the shape and texture of the cones, and the overall form of the tree to unlock the secrets of conifer identification. By observing these details, you can start to recognize the subtle differences that make each species unique. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or a curious hiker, the world of conifers offers endless opportunities for discovery and wonder. A global tapestry, conifers around the world. Coniferous forests paint a vast and varied tapestry across the globe. They dominate the high-latitude boreal forests, also known as taiga, which encircle the northern hemisphere. These forests, characterized by long, cold winters and short, cool summers, are home to species like black spruce, white spruce, and tamarack. Further south, coniferous forests thrive in a variety of habitats, including temperate rainforests, montane forests, and even arid regions. The Pacific Northwest of North America boasts towering giants like the coast redwood and Douglas fir, while the southeastern United States is home to extensive pine forests. Conifers are also found in the southern hemisphere, though their diversity is lower than in the northern hemisphere. Notable southern hemisphere conifers include the monkey puzzle tree of South America and the kauri trees of New Zealand. The global distribution of coniferous forests highlights their adaptability and resilience. From the frozen north to the sun-drenched mountains, these forests play a vital role in maintaining the health of our planet. Secrets of survival, adapting to harsh environments. In the natural world, survival often hinges on the ability to adapt to the most extreme conditions. This is particularly true for coniferous trees, which have developed a suite of remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive where other plants might perish. Coniferous trees are masters of survival, thriving in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. From the icy tundras to arid deserts, these trees have evolved to endure a variety of harsh climates. Their remarkable adaptations allow them to withstand freezing temperatures, drought conditions, and even wildfires. These trees are not just survivors, they are resilient warriors of the plant kingdom. One key adaptation is their needle-like leaves. Unlike broadleaves, these needles are designed to reduce water loss and withstand cold temperatures. The reduced surface area of needles minimizes water loss through transpiration, a crucial advantage in cold and dry climates. This adaptation is vital for their survival, as it allows them to conserve water in environments where it is scarce. The waxy coating on the needles provides further protection against water loss and freezing. This coating acts as a barrier, preventing moisture from escaping and protecting the needles from the harsh elements. The conical shape of many conifers is another adaptation for snowy environments. This shape is not just aesthetically pleasing, it serves a functional purpose. The sloping branches allow snow to slide off easily, preventing damage from heavy snow loads. This design ensures that the branches do not break under the weight of accumulated snow, which can be a common issue in snowy regions. The flexible branches of some species, like the eastern white pine, can bend under the weight of snow without breaking. This flexibility is a crucial adaptation that allows these trees to survive in environments with heavy snowfall. Conifers have also evolved thick bark to protect themselves from wildfires. This thick bark acts as a shield, protecting the inner layers of the tree from the intense heat of a fire. The bark acts as insulation, shielding the living tissues from the intense heat. This adaptation is particularly important in areas prone to wildfires, as it allows the tree to survive and regenerate after a fire. Some species, like the ponderosa pine, have fire-resistant cones that only release their seeds after a fire, ensuring the regeneration of the forest. This adaptation ensures that new trees can grow in the nutrient-rich ash left behind by a fire. These adaptations, honed over millennia, allow conifers to thrive in environments where many other plants struggle to survive. Their ability to adapt to such a wide range of harsh conditions is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of nature. Conifers are not just survivors, they are a symbol of endurance and adaptability in the natural world.